Hello guys, welcome to Chemet Point. Today we are going to classify monohalo compounds. We know that monohalo compounds are those in which only one halogen atom is attached to the carbon of the alkyl group or aryl group, that is RX or ARX. Let us take an example: CH3 CH2 X aryl group X. Here you see the halogen atom is attached to the carbon of the alkyl group, and this carbon is sp3 hybridized. And in this example you see this halogen atom is attached to carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Now we can classify monohalo compounds on the basis of hybridization, that is the carbon to which halogen atom attached may be sp3 hybridized or sp2 hybridized. Let us first start compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. So in this category the first classification is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. So in alkyl halides there are three types of carbon we know, that is primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary or 3-degree carbon. On the basis of types of carbon atom in alkyl group, we classify alkyl halides as primary alkyl halides. First one is primary or 1-degree alkyl halides. In primary or 1-degree alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon of the alkyl group. Let us take an example. Suppose CH3 CH2 Cl. This is the example of primary or 1-degree alkyl halides. Here you see the Cl atom is attached to primary carbon of alkyl group. The second one, secondary or 2-degree alkyl halides. In secondary or 2-degree alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon of the alkyl group. Let us take an example. CH3 CH3Cl. Here you see the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon of the alkyl group. The secondary carbon which is attached with another two adjacent carbon atom. This carbon is secondary carbon. And the third one is tertiary or 3-degree alkyl halides. In tertiary or 3-degree alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to the 3-degree carbon. Let us take an example. CH3 CH3Cl. Here you see the halogen atom is attached to the 3-degree carbon of the alkyl group, and we know the 3-degree carbon, that is the carbon which is attached to another 3 adjacent carbon atom. This carbon is 3-degree carbon. The compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond, first class is alkyl halides, and we know on the basis of types of carbon atoms present on alkyl halides, the alkyl halides are primary alkyl halides or 1-degree alkyl halides. In primary alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon of the alkyl group. In secondary or 2-degree alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to 2-degree carbon of the alkyl group. And tertiary or 3-degree alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to carbon of the 3-degree alkyl halides. The second class, that is allylic halides. Let us take an example. This group is your allylic group. Allylic group. This carbon is allylic carbon. We know allylic group, one carbon is sp3 hybridized and the next adjacent carbon must be sp2 hybridized. This group is called allylic group and the carbon is called allylic carbon. Now allyl halides are those in which halogen atom is attached to the carbon of the allylic group. Third class, that is benzylic halide. Benzylic halides. Let us take an example. This is our benzene ring. You see the halogen atom, that is Cl, is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which is attached to the aromatic or benzene ring. That's why this is benzylic halides. These are the class of compounds containing sp3 hybridized on halogen bond. One thing you see, if we replace one hydrogen by one methyl group, from here we will get CH3. Here you see this halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon of secondary benzylic halides. This is primary benzylic halides, this is secondary benzylic halides. If we replace one more hydrogen from here by another CH3 group, we will get type of compound. You see the Cl atom or halogen atom is attached to the tertiary. It is this compound is 3-degree benzylic halides. These are the classes of compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. Now compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond. First class is vinylic halides and the second class aryl halides. Vinylic halides in which the halogen atom is attached to vinylic carbon. Let us take an example. You see this group is vinylic group and this carbon atom is vinylic carbon and the hybridization of this carbon is sp2. You see the halogen atom is attached to the vinylic group, that is vinylic halides. Let us take an example. CH2 CHCl. This is vinylic halides. Here you see the halogen atom is attached to vinylic carbon. Another example, you see this halogen atom is attached to vinylic carbon. This group is vinylic group. In aryl halides, we know that the halogen atom is attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring. Let us take an example, Cl. You see this halogen atom is attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring and the hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization. In our next lecture, we will start nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes.